This is John with WTI, and right here with me, I have one of my essentials whenever I'm trying to keep my ties nice and clean and right in the place. This is the TONOS set of tie clips that I use. I use tie really often, and the fact that my tie was always wobbling around and people will have to correct my posture with the tie, like let me fix your tie because it's a little bit tilted to a side. After using this, guys, tie clips, not a problem anymore. I just love because when it comes to different colors that you can actually with the match it with the color of your tie. But one of the things that is a key in here is how good it does for the lockdown of the tie. Once I put this, it's not gonna move from this place at all. It has a well built, sturdy metal that every time that you clip it into your shirt, it's not gonna move at all. It's well built, not gonna be breaking down even if you're doing some risky movements. A really good product. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.